Empathetic design thinking is really about centering individuals, and those individuals might be your customers, or if we're talking about the L&D function, they might be your learners or your employees. And it's about making decisions based on their perspectives. By that, I mean you have to go interview them. Maybe there's extant data in your system. What you want to know is you want to know what they are thinking and feeling. So, what their worries and aspirations are, what makes a difference to them. What do they see right around them immediately inside of your organization, the physical environment? What do they see in the market? What do they see in their culture, wherever they're from or where they go home to at night? What do they hear? So, what influences them? What do their friends and family say? What do their bosses and coworkers say? How do they appear to others? How do they behave in public and towards others? And what do they fear or get frustrated by? What are their barriers? And what are their wants and needs and measures of success? And what are their facilitators? And so that's the first step. But the other step of this is taking all this data that you amass and you aggregate it. And I think historically, we sometimes tended to aggregate into one large group, right? But in design thinking, I think we're recognizing that we become more effective if we're willing to aggregate into different buckets, right? And so then we create plausible personas. And so you no longer try to group everyone into one big group, but you allow for multiple groups. You allow for variations and differences between the groups, and you build on those variations and differences, this rich diversity, to find a wider variety of strengths in your organization and motives for progression. It's easier to align values this way. And you uncover more barriers to address, and you can decide which ones are most significant and address those head on when you allow for this larger and richer story to unfold inside of your organization.